All right, let's take a look at today's price action on the ES. We'll start with the daily. So coming off this all-time high rotation, this sell-off here, coming into the day, we were smack in the middle of that. So the question was, we're going to break higher, we're going to break lower. We had two POCs that we were working off of, the current week POC and the prior week POC, if we were going to reclaim that or not. We ended up obviously reclaiming it given this big bullish expansion onto the day, or we were going to fail and break down and go retest these lows. And so obviously that bullish scenario played out today. Let's dip down to the 1 hour. You can see that Tuesday sell-off, yesterday's chop, sideways action overnight, that dip and rip bullish hammer candle. Outside candle on the hour, extending on up for the balance of the day. Let's go take a look at the entry here on a 10-minute. So a couple different spots here to grab an entry on today's bullish rip. So off the open, we had this sideways chop coming in, and then we finally got some real velocity on a move here. Negative 3,958, almost 4,000 more aggressive sellers than buyers on this candle. This candle here cut that in half with about 2,000 on this one. And then we really ripped back to the upside here. So on these three candles, this is a failed breakdown. Aggressive sellers pushing the market down, followed by a inverse rip back to the upside. Okay. That is a failed breakout. Whether it happens in one candle, two candles, three candles, it really doesn't matter when you have this kind of a violent move. In this move, if you're looking just at the raw numbers, okay, the absolute values, you have a 10,000 transactional shift here, right? So you have 4,000 pushing you down and nearly 6,000 back to the upside, pushing the market back up. So you go from negative 4,000 to positive 6 in these three candles, and all of a sudden you have a massive shift in buying or from selling to buying, popping the market up. Little bull flag pattern right through here that broke. Take your trade right at the top of here, extended right to target one. Took a little bit. It didn't really just rip as fast as I thought it might given this volume, but we still pushed and ripped regardless. Okay. Secondary trade of the day was right here, little bull flag pattern just before, closing right through here, either here or here for the breakout, whichever one you wanted to do, the body or the wick there. If you took the wick, it was about a 1-to-1. Wasn't really all that great on that side of it. If you took the body, it was a little bit better, almost a 2-to-1. 1.96 on that with just using the other wick. This one here was a 1.16, so that really cut it in, cut that risk reward quite a bit. Okay, so let's take a look at heading into tomorrow, as we are now. Looks like we're going to tag target 3 here in the settlement period here. That's all right. So where are we going from tomorrow? The question is, are we going to take these all-time highs and extend further, or are we going to fail these all-time highs and rotate back down? That's
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.